to youth sports in their communities.
We're here today to break ground on the new Hunting Park football field. Parks can be catalysts for positive change in communities and neighborhoods like this in Hunting Park. A healthier park means a healthier neighborhood and healthier lives for the people who live around it.
We're partnering with Eco Media for the youth in the communities. Today we were a big part of, and we're very proud to be a part of the restoration of the Hunting Park football field, which obviously going to bring a lot of the youth here to be able to play in a lot of these fields in the park, which is a wonderful thing for the communities.
Groups have come together to revitalize the park, and I can't think of anything more crucial to a community that's going through revitalization like this one is to have a park where everyone comes together and everyone can enjoy. And what's happening here today is just remarkable.
Advertising that's making a difference in this community. This education ad is sponsored by the Philadelphia area Chevy dealers and by CBS 3.
Bob Casey has passed 0 bills in 6 years and has no plans for the future. But Tom Smith does. He's a successful businessman who knows how to create jobs. The Smith plan: simplify the tax code, no giveaways to special interests, cut federal spending. If Congress doesn't pass a budget, they don't get paid. And tap America's abundant energy to create American jobs. Tom Smith, USA.
I'm Tom Smith, and I approve this message.
Everybody turns to check out the 2013 Sonata, and now we've turned its price into a crowd pleaser too. During Hyundai's savings at every turn sales event, you can get a Sonata for not $199, not $189, but $179 a month for 0.9% APR. Plus, you'll get an EPA estimated 35 mpg highway. Turn today into the day you get a Sonata for $179 a month with 0.9% APR. Hurry to your Hyundai dealer now. The savings at every turn sales event ends October 1st.
Today's the day I will not get my lunch from the gas station.
Today's the day the game plan includes a position for everyone. Today's the day I give new meaning to the term roughing it. Today's the day to get a great deal on the Do Anything Dodge Durango. Now get $2,000 total cash allowance on the 2012 Dodge Durango equipped with an available V8 engine.
Isn't doing the minimum great? Speaking of doing the minimum, now would be a good time to get a free quote on state minimum coverage.
Next Tuesday.
Oh, I see. Pain and destruction.
This isn't about boxing shirts anymore. Here, my family is season premieres of NCIS and NCIS Los Angeles. And over Sin City begins.
You're not going.
Who's better than valume? Vegas series premiere CBS next Tuesday.
Thanks for watching Eyewitness News at 6. We return tonight at 10 o'clock on our sister station, WPSG, the CW Philly, and we're right back here on CBS 3 at 11.
Stay tuned now for the CBS Evening News tonight. Mitt Romney talking more about his comments about Americans who are dependent on the government. Scott Pelley reports now from New York.
When you take a wicked word, it's easy to enjoy the ride. Introducing Cadillac Shield, the most comprehensive suite of owner benefits offered by any luxury automaker in the world.
Visit your Philadelphia Tri-State